Inside a cozy little underground clubhouse, Mole and Chip are looking at an old dusty map on the wall, lit up by Flick's glow. Mole Malone, adjusting his glasses. According to this map, the Lost Acorn Treasure is hidden deep in the Forest of Fumble. Just imagine, mountains of golden acorns waiting for us to find. Chip, puffed up with excitement. Find? Mole, we'll be heroes. Everyone in the forest will remember the names Mole Malone and Chip the Great. Flick the Firefly, buzzing around excitedly. Ooh, shiny, shiny treasure. Let's go. Professor Oakwood, landing on a branch inside the clubhouse. Now don't get ahead of yourselves, youngsters. The Forest of Fumble is no joke. Keep your eyes open and, bring a flashlight and maybe snacks. Professor Oakwood immediately falls asleep mid-sentence. Mole, Chip, and Flick set off into the forest. Mole keeps looking at the map, while Chip struts confidently ahead, swinging a walking stick like a hero. Mole Malone, nervously glancing around. Chip, shouldn't we be sticking together? The map says something about, oh, look, the Swamp of Sneezes is up ahead. Chip, laughing, poof, what's the worst that could happen in a swamp? Get a little sneezy? He charges ahead, not seeing a puff of sneeze-inducing pollen. Suddenly, Chip sneezes so hard he gets launched into the air, spins around and lands on Mole, causing both to tumble. Mole Malone, see? Always read the map. Lesson number 1. The group arrives at a giant rock with a face carved into it. The rock suddenly opens its eyes and yawns loudly. Rock of Riddles, deep grumbling voice. To pass through this gate, answer my riddle or turn back in fear. What gets wetter as it dries? Chip whispering to Mole. Is it a really sweaty squirrel? Mole Malone, chuckling and shaking his head. No, it's a towel. The rock grumbles in approval and slowly rolls aside. Rock of Riddles, well done, little mole. But watch out, the road of rolling rocks is just up ahead. The team scrambles through as big, round rocks start rolling around them. Flick darts between the rocks, lighting up the way. Flick the Firefly. Why do the rocks have to roll right when we want to go through? They all dodge the rocks, Chip stumbling over Mole and landing face first into a bush, causing them both to laugh as they make it out safely. Mole rolls his eyes and gently guides Chip through, carefully dodging the thorns as they exit the tunnel. The two of them gather some acorns, leaving most behind, and head back to the clubhouse, excited to tell everyone about their adventure. Professor Oakwood, half asleep, nods as they recount their story to other forest animals. The animals cheer, and Chip stands proudly with Mole by his side. Chip, yep, we braved the Swamp of Sneezes, the Rock of Riddles, and the Tunnel of Tangles, all for the treasure of friendship. Flick the Firefly. And shiny acorns. Don't forget the shinies. Everyone laughs as the scene fades out, with Mole and Chip high-fiving as Flick glows brightly overhead. The end.